Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a comprehensive guide on how to use Capcut templates from TikTok. Now, let's dive straight into the guide. The first step is to open TikTok and find some Capcut templates. You can do this by scrolling through your For You page until you find a template you like, or you can search specifically for Capcut templates. To do that, search for Capcut templates and explore the results. Some accounts are dedicated to posting templates, like the one we'll be checking out today. Now, let's check out this template. Once you find a template you like, tap on the Capcut Try This Template button. After tapping, Capcut opens up, and you can preview the template. If you're satisfied, press Use Template in the bottom right. It's a reliable alternative if TikTok isn't working for you. And there you have it, a full guide on using Capcut templates from TikTok.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.